Welcome to 1486 Yosemite Circle in Clayton, California. This charming, single-level home is for sale and it is really special. The yard has just been professionally landscaped to be tidy, elegant, and low maintenance, including a peaceful water feature in a Japanese maple for tons of curb appeal. Walk across the welcoming covered patio through the custom doors into a light, bright entry area, and ahead is a large living room with historical hardwood floors and a newly painted white stacked stone fireplace. It has a Pottery Barn-style interior, elegant plantation shutters throughout, and warm, real hardwood floors. The spacious dining area is along its back wall from the front of the house to the back, with sliding doors that lead into the outdoor dining area, and a lot more that's going on back there. Down the hall to the right of the entrance, you'll come to bedrooms 1 and 2 on the left, which look out onto that incredible backyard. And here's a peek into the large, retro-chic hall bathroom, which has been renovated, but leaving the original tile that's still in great condition. And at the end of the hall is the master bed and bath. Retro elements and modern touches are combined throughout this house. Home renovation shows like Fixer Upper and retailers like Restoration Hardware have made this style very popular, and this house captures the best of it. Back to the left of the entry is an efficient galley kitchen in a quaint modern cottage style with freshly painted white cabinets and stainless steel appliances. You can look out over your beautiful front yard from the corner set sink. This home has a wow factor that sets it apart from anything else on the market. Through the sliding glass doors, you'll walk into an incredible resort-style backyard, complete with a large sparkling pool, deep enough for a diving board. There are cooking, dining, and sitting areas, just about an entire second home's worth of rooms, under a huge custom arbor, which screens the Clayton sun and which is complete with multiple ceiling fans to keep you and your guests comfortable all summer. Cancel your pool membership, stock up on propane for the grill, inflate the floaties, and call your friends. There's still plenty of time to enjoy an incredible Clayton summer. If you'd like to arrange a private showing and don't have your own realtor, please feel free to contact the home's agent and Clayton specialist, Denise Pham, directly at 925-360-8923. Thanks for watching.